Do my glasses look stupid? I think they do. I don't normally wear them in my videos, but I'm wearing it because I'm talking about these Hyundai T26 earbuds, which are over-the-ear earbuds. And the most common question that I always get is, do they work with glasses? They certainly do. Super easy. Take your glasses on and off. Let's get rid of these things because I look stupid in them, and talk about these earbuds. So these are from the TikTok shop. They are a great value, super cheap there. You might as well click down there below and buy it right now. They're Bluetooth 5.3, which means you're going to get a tremendous range with them, which is really cool. They are waterproof, which is great. That's great for if you want to exercise in the rain or you're getting all sweaty, all that kind of stuff. I've got these super cool purple. I don't know, I saw them, I thought they looked great. And then the other key feature that you want to know about is they are an over-the-ear design, right? Which means, oh, I hit the button, my Metallica's on. Metallica, nothing else matters. Okay, my Metallica's paused. Speaking of Metallica, you need to know that the sound on these is not that great. It's not that great. They're super cheap. They're in the TikTok shop. They're waterproof and they are over the ear, so they are not going to be for audiophiles. These are for you going for a run, you're going to the gym, you're doing whatever outside, you're exercising, and you need something really that's not going to fall out of your ear, super stable, doesn't block your ability to hear things because it's over your ear, not in your ear. And as a result, you can't get the same quality sound. The highs are fine. The mids are like really sharp. Lots of mids. Bass sucks, okay? Let's just be honest. The bass sucks, but that's not really why you bought these, right? You didn't buy these to sit in a quiet room and just absorb the Metallica. That's not what you did. You bought these because you wanted a cheap set of things that you could exercise in, not destroy, and be safe because they are the over-the-ear design. Click the link below. They're super cheap. They're worthwhile. No-brainer. Get them before they're sold out.